Hey everybody, it's Paul from Black Bell Loft. Just doing a quick video of the new section of the loft. This is going to be the young bird section, my young bird team, 2021 birds. So just wanted to shoot a quick video to show these birds. Just picked them up. Got them back here a couple hours ago. So I got 15 birds right now. I'll add a few more to the young bird team. But just wanted to do a quick video to show the new birds in the new section of the loft. Some really nice looking birds. Happy to have them. Grateful for the guy that raised them for me. So excited to see how they'll train and how they'll do this year if I decide to race young birds. Still deciding whether to jump in with both feet or take this year to slowly get into it, but we'll see how that goes. So thanks for watching.